Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna answer the question, does the Tapo Smart sensor require a hub? And the answer is yes. As you can see here, I have this Tapo T310 and I'm using this hub, which is the Tapo Smart Hub H200. It's necessary to connect the hub here to your network. As you can see, I have it connected to my router and it's powered and it's working. Then you just need to come to your cell phone, use the Tapo app, and here on the plus signal, you just need to add the sensor, right? So see here that I have the Tapo T310 and it's working, measuring the temperature here. As you can see, it's in Fahrenheit right now, but it can change to Celsius if you want to. And here I have the graph that shows everything, including here when it's out of range. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's your answer. The Tapo requires, the Tapo Smart sensor requires a Tapo Hub. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And I see you in the next one.